Okay, FM 101.7.
Yeah, Mammy Quay, on the Manyan call is also among Quay and I said, you know, Mamma North. Chairman, Government Assurance Committee of Parliament, Chairman, Defense, Interior Committee. Now, you know, and train Kobo. Honorable me watching. Honorable me watching.
Yeah, back on me.
Now, Auntie Agiba won't to say no pay.
Yanko Adum. Ye, a busiani in our Yantiagis or Yapa.
Yeah, that's a pa. Yeah, that's it. Now, why a chairman, Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament? Mami Musa says, Nano says Togo for ya, yes, almost so a be a cophobia, almost water region, yes, almost to almost a bimukra could be, and once more could country. And they are sorry, and no pie, yes, and cophobia basic coin say. You had yet, says, I will back towards Eastern region, yeah, just all the visa. Because they say, holding night transfer one Togoland. What? Now, what can I say?
That's it. Kwame, Mame, and Magana phone in action. Na Ghana Mampen, so, Nena Pamfu, baby, or Mobi, and Yamenka on. Na some pahines also. Megidi say, or Fidicasi, Utie, Anopay. A year, Nana, some Pautun for some pahine. Nana was a chairman, MP for Swami, Majority Leader, Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. Mechiana no pay near Busiani in a message Michia Bia. Now, Kwame, some see a nano pay Krobia war Eastern region, Akradi, and a kusi no ye adia nya papa. I was say ye no, ye heard na ye see no Procope. Kwame, Martina Chiri Elhuno say a so-called secessionist group and a separatist. Omo you who say Omo prefer Hundie Western Togola. Now Omo Kofa Semoa Sebi Abaco Semoa Ekum Ama Hunshisayeno met me a case yaye ewi. No Masako Nyani asem no dia sem for Bano. And Bredru. Personally, I believe in security architecture of this country. But I think that it's our time. We told them, say, look, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Are they? Kwame. I got that sorry. Maybe a bear bob, anopano num no minyako. Say, nipanum be a blocky coin. Say be bimuku. Kutekutetu omo asemo mo kan say ahaye asase so nti mo de ka fa ha enyeyi age se mo je permit asese me ho say go for ben no nti me picking ten na me hu say so called crophobia almost say omo members of Homeland Study Group Foundation na omo Emma sa biano mujina no nipa frinkran eba besina ko omomuremu Eastern region no asa dia ko Volta region no se eye wo ma asase so na Kwame esa na yete ye ho se we declare independent state Kwame there are laid down procedures wo fa so se binya to trust them coins to say maybe more jijin for phone then I'll come to that. About that, no more armed robbers. I will say treat you as criminals. Than so-called autonomous a majority say one more episode mujina so a kase yema one more independent state. Kwame. Enti anamo mutu no mu nyi say omo nananom sebi wo mo afri monokra no baby omo bia so ebedi yawo, including some of the elders of their town currently omo wo kromo ho. What happened in 1956? Kwame, indeed there was plebiscite. Ye nyina yegitum say Togoland unifications problem and the future of a tract territory under British administration. The issue was dealt with by United Nations General Assembly. Emma Commissioner Belmiyat, indeed, declare results of the plebiscite. Kwame, Assembly Trump. Emma, that time, Togoland boundary, no, yenim. So they voted in favor. So share a British administration. Almost German administration. And then, Anna, and then nipa no bi ehihye sebi hihye asie polutu nkrofo esa ma wo ugly orientation ni nyina ne se ye pese ye twi ye ho free o my Ghana mu na twi ye twi ye ho free o my Ghana mu no penforce yentieti obi no ba so nkowofo by de ye betieti a emraso ne aye de epe Kwame yenya ne sa abi bra ye way even a country like Algeria there's a proposed state a year Barbers no Kwame ethnic group one more proposal more Barbaria state akoti asojafo militant organization from home beba a separatist but Kwame anya say wo yes ade no na prekope na ya grant sa autonomy no sebi emra ena yedi etu anamo bia entino ebredu so was a catcher so called Western Togolanders no say their pursuit course no has been overtaken by event ya bre omo
nane
patchomiti
saadi ya ekosui ye wo ye minister for defense mi amenu ani tiwu ena soja ni ya munenu parliament ko friend say
Major Derek
Kudru
yes
ye wo interior minister lawyer Ambrose Derry ye wo mi amenu Brian dia no mo ye
amedase Kwame mene o kasa no Mrs. Sudia say I believe in the security architecture of this country. Kwame architecture de mejedi say otiase na minim pa say there's a coordinated programs among security agencies of the state. Minim say yenuanom a police for omo and in charge of internal security affairs. Omo ni yenuano military no na se soldier for including national security collaboration no effective omo ye adwuma. Kwame no kure wo mu ne say oman no asa for policy for national security any other security agencies no have the needed capacity omo betimi e dey deal with this so called Western Togoland for no. From where I sit, Kwame, it appears they are being treated with kiss gloves. As a will be all because of democracy. But Kwame, a breadthrough, Tina make us say a breadthrough say, you see, you think to school culture and say enough is enough. Because Kwame intimate now. No, Nippon Biako, Shesumasiako shed them. No more bad orientation. No more indoctrinate omo crofo bi show mu incite a Nippon against the state authority. Kwame statistics so called separatist movement, you know, agitation is starting and getting kitty. Brazen event called Nansen about 2 weeks ago. No man mounted a signpost. Oh, Kusi ni so many. Kwame, yes, you omunia hodin.
Me ba say ye wo as a sovereign state. Ni hu say obi abewura ye man mu yes ah. Wonyi say ye ya so wo mo so. Ya we wo so ni mu na pay.
Kwame.
Obi am babio.
Kwame,
Yes.
I'm on record. Say they have been.
We call from star no. Who you saw no ano.
And my come say we think you Jan Kwan. So on the meter.
Yeah, Jan Kwan na sam from some.
You see, Kwame, who share ISIS ni Boko Haram ni sa Kidamo network now. Look at their background. Agitation na statistics ya. Afi no mo so no nya sika na no mo say nkofo bi ama mo bi e disadvantage hu no.
Okay, 101.7.
Oh, block it quite saying on the soil of Ghana. Yeti ye krum, yeti ye maimu. Sebi, and she say ya buying ye or mining ina ubi e bison fasobi. Meaning me say people in that catchment area no health insurance buy you know omo enjoy be. Free SHS omo enjoy be. Planting for food and jobs omo enjoy be. And your mind back, unitary state. We are one people with a clear sense of direction. Say identity, ye Ghanaians. Again, now me matiti say be more can say oh when mono montenase. Kwame tenase ene die. And tenase pass say no dialogue no yate. But ene die. Because nipa no wa body tirimu pose. And somebody we no pese odi. No one could claim ownership of the dam. Kwame, very soon, so much about said Japan Texas factory of company in the crown, baby is in his assassin. And that is what they are doing. After we and now as we speak, there are 9 different groups. Kwame, almost starting on year 1. Now there are 9. And you know, every drew say I was saying to me more activities no very, very unattractive for any public or more and all members na nkasa or more water foundation him no. Na ko ba say yeti oni agile democracy and you know arresting and granting of bail, arresting and freeing of a so-called a secessionist. Then you ask yourself, say, we are being too democratic. Kwame, and only to see a meme house. Mama, yes, so on Subio. Enough is enough. Let us deal with them.
See now, who will call from me?
No, Kwame.
Debio, I say, a sovereign state. And go for me per se, ye sovereign, no one betchem. It's 1 year, yen no. We set 2 sign.
Kwame. Amaye wo ebibre mu ha ebimu enya sa similar problems and as challenges here because wo Ghana hen okọ Equatorial Guinea Kwame ubenya bi okọ Democratic Republic of Congo ubenya bi okọ even Republic of Congo Cameroon as we speak Cameroon or Anglophone of Southern Cameroon sa omo kada omo doso 4 million population. 4 million people, Kwame. One more per Federal Republic of Ambazonia.
Okay, 101.7.
As to say, government of Cameroon, ever granted our wish. No, Kwame. I'm so say, what's the source of your money? So, the Dikai, Adia so-called Western Togolanders, no, no. Their action has a propensity to cause disaffection and also impoverish people in that catchment area. I bet me be here abroad because say obi who say baby abasa ye ewono kwame on fancy kakra nkonko sha omo local economy nimpo no agate okwa ko bi adwuma. At the end of the day nipa na wo ewono na mo ha wo mo. Odi here and every nipa na wo no.
Okay.
Eno ntino say anopay de esi ye no a me did this esi amene wo kan say de state security are taking over the entire area no.
Okay.
Name no Kwame. I'm told so di pa ba kum ye no bi phone so ne ade bi omo jeje yi bubo obi asum ne ade Kwame omo ye criminals et arrest bi e be koso bi asa nipa no. A quiet the arm robber, a fast old chroma, young form of fast aquine so. dansa yɛbɛyɛ no sɛ oh ɛna yɛfa ahodeɛ bi na ɔmo pre ɛna yɛnsi nkonya kwame. Some of them are criminals. Now who agitate say wo pese wo te ho a. Adati na wo say wo timi ebo masuma na say wo gye me phone. For what reason? Enough is enough.
Okay. Honorable Medase pa na ya hwede e kire so ebesi why.
Me pacho yo mesme damase.
Mesme da se pa okay 101.7 suni. Honorable Collins Owusu Amankwa MP for Menshan North, Chairman, Government Assurance Committee of Parliament, Vice Chairman, Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. And then
Okay FM 101.7.